description of the desorption flow sheet. The flow sheet starts in the clearing tank with the excavation of the oil sludge. The sludge is loaded in trucks and carried inside the industrial platform. Here the sludge is subject to several procedures before reaching the desorption plant. First, the sludge is subject to a sorting crushing process performed with a Darmstadt SM 620 screen with 25 tons per hour productivity on a 12.7 mm screen, and that is because there are also other waste substances in the clearing tank, for example rubber, plastic, metal, etc. The sludge is stored on a temporary platform near the clearing cylinder, where it is therefore fed with the loading machine in the cylinder's feeding funnel. Thus, the particles larger than the screen and the other waste substances will be drained out through the screen's end on a belt-type carrier, which will lead them to the washing plant. The sludge, after being processed through the screen having particle dimensions less than 12.7 mm maximum dimension allowed by the centrifugal, will be drained out through the lower part of the screen to a belt-type carrier in order to be discharged on another temporary platform. The sludge stored on the temporary platform has the following features: humidity higher than 15%, content of THP, total petroleum hydrocarbon, higher than 5%. From the temporary platform, the sludge is loaded in the storage tank of the centrifugal. The sludge is carried by a conveyor worm from the feed bin into the centrifugal. Once there, the sludge is subject to the centrifugal action, which involves dehydration and removal of total petroleum hydrocarbons. The THP water is removed from the centrifugal through a pipe in a transfer container, which will discharge it into the water network. The sludge is removed from the centrifugal at the lower end and carried to the temporary platform by a conveyor worm. The sludge leaving the centrifugal has the following features: humidity between 7 and 9% and THP content less than 5%. From the temporary platform, the sludge is then carried by a loading machine into the feed bin of the desorption plant.